Pump up the grammar. Intensive pronouns uncovered. Hello, language learners. In today's episode, we're digging deep into the fascinating world of pronouns, specifically focusing on a unique type, the intensive pronouns. But don't worry if you've never heard of them. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what they are but also know how and when to use them in your English conversations. Intensive pronouns are used to add emphasis to a statement. They're easy to spot because they're always identical to reflexive pronouns. They include words like myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. But here's the catch: they're called intensive because they intensify a pronoun that's already there. For example, in the sentence, I myself will go to the bank, the word myself is an intensive pronoun emphasizing that I am personally going to take the action. Now, you might be wondering, aren't those the same as reflexive pronouns? Well, they can be, but they don't have to be. The difference lies in their use. A reflexive pronoun is used when the subject and the object of a sentence refer to the same person or thing. For example, she cooked dinner for herself. Here, herself is a reflexive pronoun because it refers back to the subject, she. On the other hand, an intensive pronoun doesn't change the meaning of a sentence, it just emphasizes the subject. Remove it, and the sentence still makes perfect sense. Take the earlier example, I myself will go to the bank. If we remove myself, the sentence is still grammatically correct. I will go to the bank. The usage of intensive pronouns is pretty straightforward. As we've learned, they're used to add emphasis, and they always refer back to the subject of the clause. You'll find them immediately following the noun or pronoun they're emphasizing. For example, in the sentence, the dog itself can open the door, itself is emphasizing the dog. But they can also be found at the end of the clause or sentence for dramatic effect. In the sentence, the singer performed the song herself, herself emphasizes that the singer performed without any help. So, that wraps up our exploration of intensive pronouns. I hope you found this video enlightening and helpful. Remember, these pronouns are great tools to add some extra oomph to your English conversations. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself using intensive pronouns naturally and effectively. Until next time, keep your grammar game strong.